Okay, hello everyone again, and I come back to teach all of you the sentence, and this channel will teach you about how to write a sentence or use the sentence correctly. And right now I'm gonna share with you 5 rules to make a good sentence. So what are 5 rules to make a good sentence? Can you follow me? Go! There are 5 rules to make a good sentences. Now look at this one. Good sentences. And there are 5 rules to make good sentences. So what are 5 rules? The first rule is talking about it must make complete sense. It must make a complete sense. What is the sentence that make complete sense? Make complete sense, it means that your sentence must have the beginning and the end correctly. Okay? I will give you the examples of this rules. This is the example. You can see this. This is have the subject or verb exactly. Have the finish, have the started, and has the finishing. So we call the sentence a complete sentence. We call a complete sentence or a complete sense. Easy to listen. Okay? This is the first one of rule. Rule number 1. And rule number 2, you need to do what? It has all the words needed. It has all the words needed, but no extra words. Sometimes you need to add the word into your sentence. But if it doesn't necessary, don't add it. Don't add the words to your sentence. Exactly, it has the subject, verb, and object complement. Object complete. Complete the sentence already. But if you want to add the word more, maybe it is not correct. So please think again if you want to add the words into the sentences. The sentence must needed word needed. And then if you want to add more, don't. If you don't necessary, you don't add it. Rule number 3. The word in the good sentence must be in the right order. So let's look at the previous video that I teach you. That teach you how to use the adjective and nouns. If you cannot use the adjective, where the place of adjective and where the place of noun, and you want to use both of them, and you don't know where is it, where can I use the adjective or nouns, maybe you're not in the right order. If you want to make a good sentence, you need to know where the verb and where the words and where the adjective or noun used in the sentence. This is we call right order. Put adjective in the adjective place, put noun in the noun place of the sentence. This is we call word order. You use the right word order, it means that the sentence is correct. Rule number 4. Rule number 4 is it must have correct punctuations. I already teach you some punctuations, some sentence, some kinds of sentence already about. If I talk about punctuation, it means the period, the exclamation point, the question mark, and etc. Comma. Comma I don't teach you more, but I teach you only three kinds of sentence. For example, like number 1 is a simple sentence, we use the period, and the second is we call questions, we use the question sentence or question mark, and number 3 you use the exclamation mark. Okay, where are they used? How to use all of them. So rule number 4 talking about the punctuation. Put the right punctuation in your sentence. Number 5. The rule number 5 is a good sentence must finish in the right place. Sometimes your sentence doesn't fit to the right place. Doesn't fit to the right place. If you look this example here, the final example, you use the word and the situation or the place is right. Look at this example here. Okay. Can you see this? So all of this you need to complete more. If you don't understand any point, anything, you need to check more the dictionary or you check more your internet and so on. And so these are 5 rules that I share with you how to write a good sentence. Okay. Number 1, again, just review. Number 1, your sentence must have completions. Number 2, use the word that needed. Number 3, the word in the right order. Number 4, must have a punctuation. Number 5, the sentence must finish in the right order or in the right place. These are 5 rules that I share with you today. I hope you enjoy learning of sentence. I hope you can write the good sentence by using 5 rules here. Okay, enjoy. Now look at the example and do the example by yourself. Goodbye.